Welcome to Nail Wonderland. In today's video, we're diving into the world of gel nails to explore an essential aspect of the process, curing lamps. Specifically, we'll be comparing UV lamps and LED lamps to help you understand which is better for your gel nail needs. We'll look at curing time, safety, and effectiveness, and discuss which type of lamp works best with different gel nail products. If you love the long-lasting, glossy finish of gel nails, you know that curing them properly is crucial. The curing process ensures that your gel polish hardens and adheres to your nails, giving you that durable, chip-free manicure. But with both UV and LED lamps available, which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Curing time. UV lamps. UV lamps have been around for a long time and are the traditional choice for curing gel nails. They generally take about 2 to 3 minutes per coat to cure gel polish. The main advantage of UV lamps is their compatibility with all types of gel polish, including those that LED lamps can't cure. LED lamps. LED lamps are a newer technology and have quickly gained popularity in the nail industry. They are significantly faster than UV lamps, typically curing gel polish in 30 to 60 seconds per coat. LED lamps are more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan than UV lamps. Safety. UV lamps. UV lamps emit ultraviolet light, which can be harmful with prolonged exposure. There are concerns about the potential risk of skin damage and increased risk of skin cancer. It's advisable to apply sunscreen to your hands or use UV protective gloves to minimize exposure. LED lamps. LED lamps emit light in a narrower spectrum, specifically targeting the wavelengths that cure gel polish, reducing exposure to harmful UV rays. They are considered safer for your skin due to the reduced exposure to UV radiation. However, some experts still recommend taking precautions, such as using sunscreen or protective gloves. Effectiveness. UV lamps. UV lamps are effective at curing all types of gel polish, including those specifically formulated for UV light. They provide consistent curing results, ensuring your gel polish is fully hardened and durable. LED lamps. LED lamps are very effective for curing gel polishes designed to work with LED light. Many modern gel polishes are formulated for LED curing. They cure gel polish faster and often result in a shinier and harder finish due to the quick curing process. Compatibility with gel products. UV lamps. UV lamps are versatile and can cure a wide range of gel nail products, including those that LED lamps might not be able to cure. If you have a variety of gel polishes, a UV lamp ensures that you can cure them all without compatibility issues. LED lamps. LED lamps are best suited for gel polishes specifically formulated for LED curing. Many brands are now producing gel polishes that are compatible with both LED and UV lamps, offering more flexibility. Always check the manufacturer's instructions on your gel polish to ensure compatibility with your LED lamp. In conclusion, both UV and LED lamps have their advantages and disadvantages. UV lamps are versatile and can cure all types of gel polishes but take longer and pose some safety concerns due to UV exposure. LED lamps cure gel polish much faster, are more energy efficient, and are generally considered safer for your skin. However, they may not be compatible with all gel polishes. So, which lamp is better for you? If you prioritize speed and safety, an LED lamp is likely the better choice, especially if you use modern gel polishes formulated for LED curing. If you have a variety of gel polishes or use brands that aren't LED compatible, a UV lamp ensures you can cure them all effectively. Let us know in the comments which lamp you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more nail care tips and comparisons. Thanks for watching Nail Wonderland.